guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. Today we got a very special sneaker to show you guys. This sneaker is fire. We got the NIKESB Dunk Lows Rayguns in this white colorway. We're gonna be breaking down this sneaker. We're gonna be sharing with you guys why we chose to pick up this sneaker to add to our collection.
And guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because this sneaker is very iconic. So we're gonna show you guys how we style it on feet. So stay tuned.
It comes in your standard SB box, this Tiffany and black color box, with the Nike SB in the top of the box. We're just gonna jump right in to show you guys how it came in. And you guys already know we got the white color. And we're just gonna give both pairs a side so we can break down some of the materials. As the sneaker comes with this extra white lace, we're just gonna leave the black lace because it adds contrast to the sneaker, and we personally like that. And when it comes to the upper panel of the sneaker, it has like this marble-like texture, which really adds an interesting detail to the sneaker. And when it comes to the side panel, like it has this tie-dye effect. It has like 3 colors. It has yellow and orange and black. The entire sneaker is made of tumble leather, which is really gonna be comfortable to wear. And it has like this Raygun logo in green. The insole has this yellow and white tie-dye effect, and it has the Nike Zoom Air inside, which is very comfortable. And when it comes to sizing, we went with our standard size 9. Let's just go with your standard size because they fit true to size.
The NIKESB Rayguns retro back in 2005, and now that they're bringing it back, they did like a different twist. They use like tie-dye on the upper instead of like the bold colors that they use on the original pair. And I like this like unique color. It released like in 2 colorways. It released in like a home and an away colorway. So but we chose to go with this like away colorway because I like this one personally.
This sneaker like is so underrated, even though it's like an OG colorway. I think Nike is trying to revive the Dunk Lows because right after they dropped the off-white Dunk Lows at the end of 2019, they released this sneaker right after that. This was the first SB that had Nike SB engraved in the tongue, and I like how they kept that original detail and they deferred too much from the original design. It has this 58 number written inside. I don't really know what that means. We're gonna have to do some research on this.
Since they went with this tie-dye effect on the sneaker, I thought it was gonna affect the quality of the leather, but the leather is butter soft. They use like this tumble leather on the upper. When it comes to like the side panel of the sneaker, they use like the OG colors, but it's in this tie-dye effect. They use like the orange and the yellow. And it also has like the Raygun like logo on the side.
Guys, this SB is one of the top SBs in our collection because it's a retro and you can't beat that. Travis Scott is supposed to be dropping like a collaboration with NIKESB later on this year, so the SBs are not going anywhere.
Since we went with this white colorway and it has like leather on the upper, it's gonna make the sneaker more versatile to wear with like a bunch of different pants options. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with like the snap zipper cargos, you can wear it with like the snap western pants. We're gonna be experimenting with different types of pants and aesthetics to see what works with this sneaker.
So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about the sneaker. I know you guys are gonna see a lot of unboxing reviews or whatnot, so we're not gonna bore you guys. We put together a detail on feet, showing you guys how to rock this sneaker, how to drip in them. So with that being said, before the video ends, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Help the channel grow because we're going to be dropping a lot of sneaker review videos and you guys don't want to miss that. So please subscribe and turn on your post notifications.
And guys, drop a like down below because it really helps the channel. And tell us in the comment section down below, do you guys prefer the away colorway or the home colorway? And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.